Got a 2020 Sany Mini X. Broke the top plate off of the boom. Got the whole boom off sitting over there. No welder by any means, but tack that back on and then put a pin from the top to the bottom to keep everything square. Added some gussets on the sides. I'm sure I'm gonna get all kinds of hate for my welds, but hey, I'm learning. Got a gusset made for this side. Gonna go up on like so, like that. Weld that in there for a little extra support. So just a little welding on a Friday. Ain't nothing too crazy. Finally got a new helmet. Not too bad. But stay tuned, show you the finished product.